whoever has thought about these innovations, they were the men who were no smarter than us. So why can't we? Why can't we actually bring about these innovations into our lives, into our corporate careers, into our personal lives? Let's face the reality. There is no point that we talk sweet things for the more amount of time. It's better to face the reality upfront, because the sooner we face the reality, the sooner we'll find the solution for that. So, first question from my side, I'll be asking many questions during the webinar. So, first question which is being asked from all of you is: do you really think that you are living, or you are just passing your time over here? So, answer this question to yourself. Okay? Do you think you are living? Do you really think that you are living your life or not? So, all of you just think of an answer, yes or no, simple. There are no ifs and buts over here. So just think of an answer whether I am living it or I am just passing my time over here. So just think of an answer for a second, and then we can analyze why did I ask this question over here. Okay, I'm sure all of you must have thought of an answer over here. My answer is like, yes, we are living, but we are living like a human battery. We are living like a battery which is deprived of its very basic necessity, that is thinking. And this photograph which I have taken over here is a very famous movie, Matrix. All of us have seen them. All of us must have seen this movie, and we know the concept behind the Matrix movie. So we currently are living in a virtual world, just like a battery. So we are not thinking, we are not analyzing the things, we are just doing what everyone else is doing. We are just following like anyone. Another proof for that thing. Really you don't believe that thing? Then you should see the next picture, which I'll tell the history behind this picture. Why did I put this photograph over here? This is it. Whenever you go and search on Google, okay, I found this image. Why did I put this image over here? I was searching on Google any image related to thing. Okay, and there were n number of images of the same person, which was being shown in the search of Google. But this one image was something special, because what I can see over here is this thinking person has been put behind certain fences, has been put behind certain restrictions, certain obstructions, obstacles in this world. And this is not you. This is your trapped thought. This is a thought which you believe that you have put behind the fences. This is a thought which you believe that this is not at all free. This is that innovation which you are never able to bring in about in your business, in your life, in your career, in your day-to-day activities. No. All these things have been trapped. All these things have been put behind, certain this over here. So. This image, now this again tells us the very basic story of what happens when we stop thinking, what happens when we stop innovating, what happens when we stop thinking creatively or even plain thinking. What all things can be, can happen to us over here. So this is a very, very basic image of the effects of not at all thinking is. You don't even have a right to dream them, okay? Because if you can see over here is, since you never thought of thinking, you don't even have the right to dream. So you stop following your dreams when you stop thinking. And following a dream is very important in terms of an entrepreneur, in terms of a person who is running his own business organization, in terms of a person who is handling the dreams of millions of employees within his organization. So it's very important that you, at least the founder of the organization, should go and follow his dream. So since we never thought of thinking, since we never thought of innovating the stuff, so we don't even have any right to dream. Abhilash, is my voice clear now?
Your voice is a little bit clear. Can you make it more loud? Because audience can't hear it.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Yeah, Abhishek. Yeah, it's all clear.
great. So, sorry for the trouble. So moving ahead, so here we declare that without thinking, we don't even have any rights to to dream or even pursue our dreams. So it becomes quite critical for all of us that okay, so the thinking this thinking problem is a critical problem, is a crucial problem in all of our lives.